Sakar's Corner.
Hello buddies! Today we are going to see few cooking vocabularies and their meaning. Boil. Boil means heating a liquid until it produces bubbles and turns into steam. It's how we cook and prepare certain foods like boiled eggs or pasta. Pour. Pour means to transfer a liquid from one container to another in a continuous and steady flow. For example, pouring water from a jug into a glass or pouring milk into a bowl. Slice. Slice means to cut something, such as food or an object, into thin, flat pieces or sections. For example, slicing a loaf of bread or a piece of fruit. Bake. Bake means to cook food using dry heat in an oven. It involves placing the food, such as bread, cakes, or cookies, inside an oven at a specific temperature for a certain period of time. During baking, the dry heat surrounds the food, causing it to cook evenly and develop a golden brown crust or texture. Grill. Grill means to cook food using direct heat from a grill or barbecue. It involves placing the food such as meat, vegetables, or seafood on a grill rack over an open flame or heat source. The heat from the grill cooks the food quickly. Fry. Fry means to cook food by submerging it in hot oil. It involves placing the food such as vegetables, meat, or dough into a pan or deep fryer with hot oil, where it cooks and crisps up. There are two main types of frying: shallow frying, where the food is partially submerged in oil and flipped over, whereas in deep frying, the food is fully immersed in oil until it is fully cooked. Peel. Peel means to remove the outer layer or skin from fruits, vegetables, or other food items. Simmer. Simmer means to cook food at a temperature just below boiling point, where small bubbles gently rise to the surface but do not break. Simmering is a slow and gentle cooking method that helps tenderize food, develop flavors, and allow ingredients to blend together harmoniously. It is often used for soups, stews, sauces, and certain meat dishes. Mix. Mix means to combine or blend different ingredients together to create a uniform and homogeneous mixture. It involves stirring or whisking the ingredients until they are evenly distributed and form a single cohesive mixture.
Thank you.